Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a LinkedIn account. First, log into your LinkedIn profile using a desktop or laptop computer, as the mobile app offers limited options for this process. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account management options. This is the crucial first step to ensuring your account is properly closed down. Within the Settings and Privacy page, you will find several tabs on the left-hand side. Look for the Account Preferences section, and then click on Account Management. This area holds the critical options for controlling your profile status. Scroll down until you locate the Close Account option, which is clearly labeled. Click on this to begin the actual closure process and proceed to the next important step. LinkedIn will then prompt you to select a reason for closing your account from a provided list. You might choose options like I have another LinkedIn account or I'm getting too many emails. Select the option that best describes your decision to proceed. You may also be offered a chance to add more detail in a text box, which is optional. Finally, click Next to move forward with your account closure request. To ensure it is truly you closing the account, LinkedIn will require you to re-enter your account password. This security measure prevents unauthorized access and deletion. After entering your password, carefully read and check the box confirming you understand that deleting your account means losing all your data. This includes connections, endorsements, and recommendations, which will be permanently removed. Click Close Account one last time to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.